best exercise that worked for me in my 40s. Marami din akong pinagdaanan from gym to strenuous workout, takbo, sayaw, pilates, and yoga. And this is what worked for me. Number one, iniiwasan ko yung may maraming talon kasi inaalagaan ko yung aking tuhod. Tapos, hindi kasi ako magaling dito tumakbo. So, madalas ako nahihilo sa treadmill. And ang nahanap ko na tamang timpla is a combination of yoga, pilates, and weights training. Kasi this helped me a lot with body awareness, balance, mas nag-firm yung aking katawan. And nakita ko, unlike nung very strenuous yung aking mga workout, hindi na ako nagki-crave. Kasi dati, after a workout, aside sa lantang gulay ako, nagki-crave ako ng matatamis. But with the right balance of weight training, pero hindi ganun ka-strenuous, walang talon-talon, so hindi sumasakit yung aking tuhod. And then with yoga and pilates, I create body awareness and balance. I feel good after working out, no cravings, and nag-firm ako, nahanap ko yung aking abs. At the age of 45, I'm still in my ideal weight, ideal shape. So do you want to journey with me on reaching and achieving and of course, maintaining ideal weight, ideal shape? I'm a wellness coach. Usap tayo. DM me for free consultation.